How to use Cafe Induction with gourmet guided cooking. Cafe Induction uses Heston Q smart cookware with embedded temperature sensors that communicate with the Cafe cooktop and the Heston Q app. Together they sync up to create a truly seamless cooking experience. To get started, browse from a growing library of recipes developed and tested by highly skilled chefs. Choose from hundreds of weeknight meals to recipes for a special night in with friends. Select the number of servings, then the app estimates cook time, a list of ingredients, and the equipment needed. Gourmet guided cooking from Cafe lets you expand your skill set through step-by-step video-guided instruction from the Heston Q team of accomplished chefs, helping you deliver perfect results every time. As you cook, your Cafe Induction cooktop, Q Smart Pan, and Heston Q app work together to automatically control the pan temperature and timing of each step. The app will tell you when to put your ingredients in the pan, when to flip them, and when to take them out. Maintain a set temperature within 1 degree, thanks to a precise control mode that makes temperature-sensitive cooking methods simple. For perfect proteins, just tell the app what you're cooking, the thickness and the desired doneness, and the app will calculate the cook time and temperature precisely. If you want to learn it, Gourmet Guided Technology can walk you through it. Master more dishes with the power and precision of Cafe Induction technology built right into your appliance. Expand your skill set and your menu with Cafe. Cafe, Heston Q. Distinct by design. Visit cafeappliances.com for more details.